What's going on, Del Do-It-Yourself family?
We're talking about teriyaki jerky right now.
Ooh.
And then in a few moments we're going to be switching over to Derk and his remote. And he's also got some jerky.
Mushroom jerky.
Teriyaki ginger. So here's what they're looking like. And I'll test it out.
It has creamy and portobello mushrooms. So let's give her a whirl.
This is kind of overwhelming. If you were blindfolded and you were doing this, you could tell it was like all I'm familiar with basically is beef jerky. So I could tell right off the bat it's jerky.
Very simple ingredients, nothing artificial. It tastes great.
Dale, quick question: is it tougher than regular beef jerky, or like what's the texture of it?
The texture seems a little bit thicker than beef jerky because it's not long and strip like as in beef jerky. It's more like unusual configurations. I wouldn't call it chunk like, but it's definitely not a flat slab slice like the beef jerky.
Okay.
So how about telling us what you got going on your end?
Yeah, so it's super basic, but I just got Target Brand Jerky, so it's just regular beef jerky that you can get like any gas station or grocery store. I got the Target Brand Good and Gather, of course, saving money. And I got the teriyaki as well, as Del said. And if you look at it, it just looks like basic jerky. It has the texture of jerky. And personally, I like Target Brand a lot. I don't think it's like better than Jack Link's or anything. That's the only one I can think of at the top of my head. But Target Brand is, Good Together beef jerky, solid, and for the price, you get a great bang for your buck.
If you're looking for a really satisfying alternative to jerky, this would be the way to go.
I'm pretty sure this is like $13.50 for 10 ounces. Well, I just think it's a pretty good deal when you're comparing it to jerky, but because it is one thing about jerky is it is very expensive, so you gotta try to cut corners while you can.
So those are good things what you're saying there about your brand and everything. It almost got me running out to buy it. So, but what we do have in common is the teriyaki flavor.
I'm going to give that an 8.5 out of 10. It was way better than I expected.
Catch you later.
We are signing off. What kind of mushrooms are in here?